welcome back to KitchenTube HD. I'm Kitcha, I cook, I eat and I'm hungry for more. Today we're going to be making some potato cheese balls. So let's get right on to it. There's some mashed potatoes here and we're going to be using a few herbs to make these mashed potato cheese balls. So let's get right on to it. Here goes our mashed potatoes. Our salt. Chili flakes, ginger garlic, mixed herbs, and a jungle of coriander leaves. Now make sure you wash your hands before this. We'll be mixing them all up. And try to make sure the potatoes are not overcooked. Then it will give some amazing consistency and an amazing taste to the dish. Okay, we have mixed them enough. Our potato mix is ready. Let's move on to adding the bread. Now here's the bread piece. I've cut off the edges. Let's add it. But before that, make sure to crumble it nicely. It should be nice and evenly crumbled. My bread size is a bit small, so I'll have to add another slice. But most average size, two slices are enough. Now we're going to mix this nicely and then roll them into balls. Okay, so one technique I've learned is first roll it into this type of ball, then just squeeze it down so you get a nicely fine grip. Then slowly start rolling it. Just roll with your fingers. You don't have to be confident. Just roll. And slowly, this movement is enough to make a nice and lovely ball. Let's now add another ball. And the final one is done. Now let's clear up this table and move on to the next step. We have made our mashed potato balls. Let's move on to making the corn flour slurry. So first we'll be adding the corn flour, all-purpose flour, salt, and pepper. Next, we give it a good mix. Next, we slowly add a bit of water. Mix. Make sure it's lump free. Our corn flour slurry is ready. Let's move on to stuffing the potato balls. Mildly grease your hands before doing this. Now flatten your potato balls. Should be nicely flattened. Place a cheddar cheese cube in the middle and cover it. Make a ball. Cheddar is recommended, but you can also use mozzarella. And our fifth one is complete. Let's start with the fry. Now let's prep the cheese balls. First we're going to be dipping it in our corn flour slurry. Make sure every end is in the crushed cornflakes, finely crushed. Now our oil is heated up. Let's now place the cheese balls. I recommend to use a spoon because it lowers the risk of getting burnt. Fourth and fifth. Now separate them. Fry till it's golden brown and then flip it out. Now the finished fry, let's transfer them to the plate. So our potato cheese balls are ready. Do try this out. Really crunchy, really yummy and really cheesy. It also provides a great pleasure, a great snack for you in the evenings or whenever you feel like it. So do try this out at your home and share it with me. So thank you guys for watching this video, and to all the little masters out there, stay cooking. Anyways, bye! So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Teaching You HD. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Teaching You HD.